we should be aware of that how and whenever such kind of the situations arises, how to save ourselves first of all and how to save others also. Fine. For that, your school is giving you the training, hands-on training, for which today we will be giving you the mock drill. Whenever there is a fire, how to use the fire extinguisher at the time, so that you can save yourself as well as the family members and the society also, the school also. Fine. So wherever you are, what you have to do, that practical training will be provided to you by Rajendra sir. He is there. He will be telling you that how you have to use a fire extinguisher. First of all, whenever there is a fire, if you are in any of the room, then what you have to do is, first of all, if you are having the handkerchief or any of the cloth, you need to dip in a water and you have to put it on your nose so that the smoke should not be inhaled by you. Fine. Later on, you need to see wherever the fire extinguisher is there, you need to go and you need to pull it, you need to take it, and then the first step will be, there's a pin on it. There's a pin. Every one of you just have a look. This is a pin. This needs to be removed. You have to pull it. It is removed. Is it visible to everyone? Yeah. Then second step is, you have to pull this immediately.
Knob.
This is
This
a knob
knob
for the fire extinguisher. The next step will be, now it's very difficult to inhale. So what you have to do is, you have to put a wet cloth on your nose, then you have to use the fire extinguisher. The next step is, see, every one of you just have a look.